Hello guys, and welcome back to Guide with Samuel. And today I'm going to show you how to write a LinkedIn recommendation message using ChatGPT. Let's get right into it. Writing a LinkedIn recommendation is a great way to support colleagues or connections by highlighting their skills and professionalism. When using ChatGPT, provide details about the person's role, your relationship, and specific qualities you want to mention. For example, you might say, write a LinkedIn recommendation for a project manager who is detail-oriented and a great team leader. ChatGPT will create a thoughtful, sincere, and well-structured recommendation that emphasizes a person's strengths and achievements. You can personalize the message further by adding examples of specific projects you work together. LinkedIn recommendations can boost a person's professional credibility and help strengthen your network. Plus, using ChatGPT makes the writing process quicker and easier. And that's it, guys. Now you have learned how to write effective LinkedIn recommendation messages quickly, professionally, and with the use of ChatGPT. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.